Everybody. My name is Tapus Kumar Basu, and this is the second video on behalf of my channel, Technical Analysis of Financial Product. Just today, once again, sorry, today I have decided to illustrate you about the technical implication of two scripts. First one is Ultratech Cement, and next one is SDFC Limited. Let me start with Ultratech Cement. Just I'm going to the straight to the daily candlestick chart of Ultratech Cement. You see that already I have opened a daily candlestick chart of Ultratech Cement. You see this is the last candle formation of last candle on 14th. And it was opened on 7,440 and closed on 7,390.50. So close was as open was higher and close was lower. That's why it's a treated as a negative candle, right? But the candle is a this is the kind of a candle. The pattern of candle is like this. It's like a hammer type of candle, and if there is any kinds of hammer pattern appears in the downtrend, you see this is a complete downtrend, which signifies the bullish indication, which signifies the bullish momentum, which signifies that there is a possibility to be retraced towards the upside, right? So this is although bearish hammer, as because it's a negative candle. Anyhow, so as far as the candlesticks pattern is concerned, there is a possibility to be retraced toward the upside. But next we have to check with the other parameter also. So I would like to plot the Bollinger Bands. Now let me plot the Bollinger Bands, what the Bollinger Band says about this script. Now I am plotting the Bollinger Bands over here. Regarding Bollinger Bands, already I have explained you what is Bollinger Band. Now once again I'm just telling you in short about the Bollinger Bands. Generally in Bollinger Bands there are three kinds of lines are found. This is the middle one. Middle one is known as a middle band. This one is the upper one known as the upper band, and this is the lower one is known as a lower band. First of all, um, you see either if there is a distance between upper and lower and upper is very high, then we can signify that the volatility is very high. You see particular in this area, you see particular this is a lower band, is the upper band, the distance between lower and upper end very high. That's why there is a high volatility is over here, which signifies the high volatility. With comparison to here, there is a low volatility, as because the distance is very low in between lower and upper. Now let me through this Bollinger Band, we can easily find out the bullish indication and bearish indication. Bullish indication means if we see there is any kind of W bottom formation has made, then we can say there is a bullish indication. If there is any M top formation has made, then we can say that there is a bearish indication. M top generally happens in the upper band. Even and the first top should touch the upper band, and next should not touch the upper band. But here is no such candle which has already touched the upper band, so there is no question of rising over here the formation of M top. But as far as the W top is concerned, you see here is a completely there is a from here the downtrend has already started. The first candle which had touched this lower band, and then it went up again, it came and touched another and then there is another candle is lower candle, there is another lower candle is here, but which hasn't touched particularly this band as far as the norms is concerned. So we can say this is a perfect formation of W bottom formation. So now the very next candle from here, it has started rallied from here, but after this candle we haven't find any candle which has closed lower this candle, but it is not closed this lower this candle, but it has closed higher this, but this candle has closed higher of this. So now this rally has started from here, so we can say this is a perfect formation of W bottom formation. So as far as Bollinger Band is concerned, we can make a target up to the first band. So it may be the price may reach up to 7,700 within a span of next week. Within a span of maybe 10-15 days, it may reach as far as the Bollinger Band is concerned. So we are getting some positive information about the Bollinger Band is concerned. Apart from the Bollinger Bands, also we can check the momentum with the other parameter also. So let me plot the stochastic. Stochastic is also very much important indicator through which we can take some some decision also. You see the stochastic, yes, the stochastic. In stochastic generally you can see uh, there are two lines are found. One is the stochastic line, this is red one is stochastic line, and this is a dotted line, or it can be termed as a signal line. You see, when the dotted line, when the stochastic line intersect the dotted line from below, which we call the bullish indication, or here you see there is a double bottom formation has made. There is a one bottom and there is another bottom. If I make a mark over here, from here you see there is a double bottom formation. If see there is a two intersection, here is a one intersection, there is another intersection just below the 20. These two intersections, this is called a double bottom formation, right? If we see there is a in stochastic, below 20 there is a double bottom formation. After having formed the double bottom formation, then if we see that stochastic line has already crossed the 20, that is has already crossed the 20, which signifies the trend reversal. So naturally this is a trend reversal, meaning trend reversal towards the upside. It means this is a positive indication. As far as the stochastic part is concerned, we're getting the positive indication. As far as the Bollinger Band is concerned, we're also getting the positive indication. So as far as technical part the of Ultratech Cement is concerned, there is a possibility to be retraced toward the upside, and target maybe up to 7,700 as far as Bollinger Band is concerned. This is as far as the Ultratech Cement. Now let me go to the another stock of HDFC Limited. So what the HDFC says, I'm going to the HDFC Limited. You see the HDFC, what the HDFC say. Yes, HDFC Limited. This is, I have already opened the HDFC Limited over here. You see, already I have plotted one Fibonacci retracement over here, and it has that according to Fibonacci retracement above 38.2%. Generally we call that is the golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement. Golden ratio starts from 38.2% of Fibonacci retracement, right? It has already crossed the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. That means already crossed 78.6% of Fibonacci retracement. That is in which is called a golden ratio. It is trading above the golden ratio. So as it is trading above the golden ratio, so there is a possibility to touch that 100%, which is around 2,900. So as far as the Fibonacci retracement is concerned, the indication what you are getting from here, that is a positive indication. Now let me plot the Bollinger Band, what the Bollinger Band says about this stock. So I am plotting the Bollinger Band over here. Yes, this is a Bollinger Band. Yes, I've already plotted the Bollinger Band over here. You see there are same three lines. This is a 20 simple moving average. This is called a middle band. This is a lower band. This is a upper band. You see now we have to check whether there is any double bottom formation or M-top formation. There is a question of M-top formation because there is no such candle which has touched the upper band, particularly in this area. So now we'll have to check whether there is any double bottom formation. Yes, you see there is from here there is a complete downtrend. Is a complete downtrend, and this particular, yes, this candle has touched particular this lower band. As far as the double bottom formation is concerned, first bottom should touch this one, and second bottom shouldn't touch, and the next it gone up from here, gone up from, let me check, this is from here to a touch, then it gone up from here, then it's came down from here, this is another top, and then went up for another this one. So this is called a W bottom formation. Here is a complete formation of W bottom formation we see, and the rallies has already been started. So as far as Bollinger Band is concerned, there is a W bottom formation as there, and there is a possibility to rally from here to towards upside. And first as far as Bollinger Band is concerned, the first target would be around 2,850, and as far as Fibonacci retracement is concerned, the target is 2,900. So as far as Fibonacci retracement is concerned, it is giving a positive indication. Bollinger Band is concerned, is giving positive indication, and we have also checked the RSI. Stochastic has already given a positive indication, that is stochastic has already given a trend reversal sign. So this is a bullish sign. So as far as technical part is concerned, both the scripts are very bullish. That's all for that's all about the stocks. Please do remember, this is for only for educational purpose. This channel is for only for educational purpose. If anybody would like to any kinds of trading, before make any decision, first do consult with your own respective investment advisor, then take your own decision. This channel doesn't suggest for any kinds of advice or any stock tips or any recommendation for buying and selling. This is purely for educational purpose. And if anybody would like to do any kinds of trading with me, then first of all, you have to open an account with ICICI Securities, as because I'm a referral partner of ICICI Securities. In my description box, I have given the link for opening an account with ICICI. This is a very user friendly link. What you have to do is just you have to just click that link, and it will take hardly 10 or 15 minutes to get your account activated. While activation of your account, in the last phase, a page will appear with a sign of thumbs up. What you have to do is just you have to copy that page, and you have to send this page to my WhatsApp number along with a copy of your PAN card and phone number, so that I can track your account, and so that your account is mapped into me. And if you're also interested to join my Telegram channel, you can also join, because the link is given in my description box. You please, if you would like to join, you can join in my Telegram channel also. And also I request everyone, please do subscribe to my channel, and share this channel to near and dear ones. And very shortly I'll come up with my new video. By saying this, I'm going to sign up today's program. Thank you very much and have a great day.